Hey, what's going on YouTube? Today I have the Sony Alumelo 5s, and I got these for a pretty killer sale at a local store near me for $270. These usually go for around $350. I do a lot of traveling for work and just to see family. I was rocking the XM2s, I believe, the one with the micro USB, so it has been a long need for an upgrade, and I'm pretty excited to dive into these, so let's get right into it. Alright, here we have the Sony Alumelo XM5s. First things first, getting into the boxage of this, you'll see it's like a nice little recyclable, reusable cardboard finish here, which is nice if you like to recycle, love the earth and whatnot. I personally usually like keeping boxes, but I think I might actually just recycle this one. I do have a problem with just a million boxes in my closet and garage and stuff, so it is nice to see Sony doing some kind of earth-friendly type stuff. On the top here you have all of the features that you're going to know and love from Sony. Their 360 audio, they have the special Sony codec, it's like ALDAC or something like that. 30 hours of battery life, God tier, noise cancellation, good for all Apple stuff, and has Google built in, which is very nice. Now, if you see, they have a very simple little pull tab, so let's give that a go. Alright. This is just a little piece of paper that covers the box. Nice filling little cardboard box. Nothing too crazy. Now, if you are spending $350 on this, or $400, whatever the MSRP is, it is nice to have a nicer presentation than this, but again, I will let it slide because it is very eco-friendly, and that is very cool with Sony. Alright, so first things first, we got a little quick start guide and the headset little case itself. So here it's just giving you a simple 1, 2, 3. You take this off. See what else comes in here. 360 audio, music service, free trial. Okay, so it says not to wear your headphones in the rain, don't wear them when you're sweating, don't rinse them off, and don't get these wet. So I'm assuming not really a IPX rated headset at all. You're just going to be wearing this when you're chilling. A bunch of pieces of paper and a limited warranty. Boop, boop, boop. Now let's check out this case. It doesn't feel as like hard shell sturdy as I'd like, and it also seems kind of huge compared to the old Sony cases, because I feel like the old cases were just like this because the headset folded up in that neat way, but to my understanding this headset does not have any folding technology incorporated with it. Sheesh. That does look very, very clean though, I'm not even gonna lie. Nice leather. Oh, this feels very lightweight. So I've never used like the Apple AirPods Max or whatever they're called, but considering they're all like stainless steel, I could only imagine how heavy that feels on your head. This feels like absolutely nothing. Now let's look around the headset real quick. It looks like we have USB-C, your audio jack, 3.5mm auxiliary port, power, noise cancellation, touch capacitive little cups, you know, the usual. See what else comes in this case. Looks like there's a little hidey hole here. And you have a USB-C cord and your headphone jack auxiliary cable. Alright, let's get these fired up real quick. So I have my phone here, my Google Pixel 7. I'm just going to hit that power button in the background. My computer recognizes it, and as you could see, Sony 1000 Elemento P5s. Connect. You got that nice little, almost Apple-esque feature down there. Does it want Hey Google? Yes, I do want Hey Google. Alright. And now it's going to be able to read all of my notifications and all that cool stuff. Make sure that it can be accessed with Hey Google, and as you can see, now it is ready to go for Hey Google or OK Google. So you can press and hold to get a hold of Google. You can hear all your notifications, and you can do more in the Sony headset app. So here is what your Google little menu will look like for your Sony headphones. Cool stuff. Alright, next you have the Sony headphone app, which, agree and proceed, yeah, read all that. Okay, currently Bluetooth connection is unavailable since blah 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 blah. Okay, some fun Android stuff, allow it. Now it is important to know, if you're using this headset, only Android phones have the capability to switch to that Sony Aldec Elemento P thingamajig. Alright, let me sign into this. Alright. Signing in. I'm gonna start from the beginning. Alright, you can see all of those adaptive sound control. It'll change ANC depending on what you're doing. 360 audio, you can send pictures of your ears and all that weird stuff. Don't think I'll do that. Adaptive sound control, so if you're working out, doing whatever, then it will change for you. And if it detects you're at a specific location, then it will change the ANC depending on how you like it. So you do that. Boom, boom. Enable synchronization. Boop, boop. Synchronize. Oh boy, there's a lot of setting up to do, and a lot of features packed up in this. I'm gonna just hit later. I don't really care about 360 audio. Let's go to the dashboard. Alright, I'm gonna start updating some firmware and whatnot, and I'll get right back to you guys. Alright you guys, that was my video of the Sony Allemalo XM5s. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. It was just a quick unboxing and getting to know the headset, see all the accoutrement of it, and just kind of share my experience of this headset with you guys. If you guys really enjoyed this video and liked hanging out, please leave a like, sub, and comment. It goes a long way in supporting the channel. Other than that, thank you for dropping by. Catch you next time. Later.